Hi guys, hope you all are doing amazing. In today's video, I'm going to talk about one of my favorite brands called Soapworks. It was Soapworks, now it's Earth Rhythm. They have renamed, they have rebranded. Now it's known as the Earth Rhythm. So it's a zero waste, 100% natural skincare, hair care, body care. Like it's a personal care brand, and now they have a makeup line in place. So I am really excited to share my views with you because I have been testing their products out for almost 2 months now. So I'm going to talk about my top 10 favorite products from the brand. So Earth Rhythm's products are non-toxic and they are made of natural ingredients. Some of the products are made with certified organic ingredients. The very first product I want to talk to you about is the Shampoo Bar. They have a shampoo that is in a liquid form, but I have been hearing so much about their solid shampoo bars that I decided to give it a shot. The one I have is 100% virgin coconut oil shampoo bar. Here you have the shampoo bar. As you can see, it's used. It's excellent for dry hair. I have been using it for almost a month now, and I also use this on my daughter's hair. Initially, I thought the bar will melt pretty soon and I won't be able to use it for more than 4 or 5 times. But see, I have used it for more than 6-7 times and I still have this much left. And I personally really enjoy the scent of it. It has a very nice fresh smell. It lathers up really well. For someone like me who always likes to oil massage their hair before washing, this is a really good product because it actually removes every trace of oil and dirt from your hair without making them dry and brittle. So I have been using it for a month now and I really like how my hair feel after using it. Also, I've used it on my daughter's hair and her hair felt really soft and really bouncy, so it doesn't make your hair limp. And secondly, the packaging is eco-friendly. So this is a tin tub. You can also recycle it, use it in some other ways, like you can store your stuff inside. So you are getting 80 grams and this is for $6.49. The next product is this one. The sticker came off because I use it every night. This is their smoothening serum with Bakuchiol oil. So what Bakuchiol oil is, it's a plant alternative to retinol. It smoothens out your skin. It works on wrinkles, it works on fine lines, it works on uneven skin tone. And you can see I have used half of the bottle and I use it every night and use just 4 drops of it. So that's the reason why I still have so much left. And I have been using it for more than 2 months now. If you have been following me on Instagram, you might have seen me talking about this product a lot of times. In fact, I have done a couple of Instagram stories sharing my nighttime routine. I have used this one. My skin is very sensitive, it's very dry. That's why my dermatologist did not recommend me a retinol. Although I am 35 and I should be using some anti-aging stuff, but she did ask me not to use it because retinol makes your skin dry and sensitive, and my skin is already dry and sensitive, so it's going to make my condition worse. That is the reason why I have been using this one. This is so good. I cleanse my face, I spray some toner on, and then I use 4 drops of this Bakuchiol oil, pat it in my palms and just massage it onto my skin, and that's all. It's very lightweight. It just sinks and vanishes into your skin. Give it like 5 minutes and it's gone into your skin. So this is the second step before your serum or before your moisturizer. Right after your cleanser, this should be used, and this is so good. I have definitely seen it improving the texture of my skin. It has also made my skin smooth, but you have to give it time. You cannot expect it to work like your medical grade retinol and give you a result in like a week's time. You have to be patient. In fact, with any skincare product, you have to be really patient and give it at least a month to see the result. The next favorite would be their cleansing balm. This is a new one. I also have a matcha green tea. I couldn't find it. And their cleansing balms come in this aluminium tub, and these tubs are really beautiful. Their products are 99% plastic free, which is amazing. So they are not contributing to landfills. That's what I personally love the most about this brand. And secondly, their products are really good. So this cleansing balm is a beautiful product. What cleansing balm does, it melts your makeup. It works as a makeup remover without stripping off your moisture. Plus, it's going to benefit your skin. For example, this one is antiseptic, so it's going to work really well for acne prone skin. All you have to do is take a pea-sized amount, rub it into your palms. It will melt and become oily, and then massage your face with it. Add a little bit of water, it will emulsify and turn milky. Then you wash your face off and it takes off every trace of makeup. In fact, your waterproof mascara, your long wearing lipstick, everything without much rubbing or torturing your skin. So this is the first step I always follow. So next product is not a skincare or hair care or body care product. It's actually a tool So they have these bamboo charcoal facial wipes which are reusable. I use this one a lot. What I do, I apply cleansing balm on my face, then I wipe it off with this cotton ground, and you can put it back in the bag, throw it in your washer and wash it. It's that easy. So these are really good, and you can use them, reuse them 200 times. Like, these are very good, and these are made of cotton, pure cotton bamboo. This one is very, very soft. This is my favorite. They have this one as well, but you know why it stains, but this is like my favorite. It's very soft. The size is perfect, and it's really gentle to remove your eye makeup, to remove your lip makeup. It's really, really good. Next, I'm going to talk about the cleansing buff. This is their powder cleanser, which can be used as a mask and as an exfoliator. So they have a lot of variants in their powder cleanser category. This one is Neem and Aloe Vera. My skin is dry, but I do get acne time to time. So what I do, I dilute a little bit of this powder mask with some rose water and just apply it as a mask. Leave it on for 2 minutes, and then I wet my hands and just massage my face gently and wash it off. It is so gentle. It is really good for those days when you do not have makeup on, when you are just chilling and sitting at your home, and in the night you want to do your nighttime routine without using a cleanser. You can use this one. This is very, very gentle. It doesn't foam or anything, but it cleans your skin really well, and I really like how it smells. If you are interested in powder cleansers, do give this a shot. This one is 50 grams for 599 rupees. And also, Soapworks products are not tested on animals, so this is a cruelty-free brand. The next product is very surprising and is a very new launch by the Earth Rhythm. They have recently launched a face palette, and this face palette is beautiful. It has 16 eyeshadows here, one highlighter, one blush, one bronzer, and this can be used as your eyeliner. This is what I have on my eyes today, this palette. I have used this shade and this shade on my eyes, and this one as an eyeliner, this as my blush, and this as my highlighter. I'm sure you guys can see how beautiful the colors are. They blend really beautifully, and you are getting a toxin free makeup product. Also, please check out the pressed glitters here. Beautiful pressed glitter, and the shades are so suitable for Indian skin tones. This is what I love the most about this palette. I love the choice of pressed glitters here. There is a blue glitter, a copper, gold, and a kind of a gold silver. It's not exactly a hardcore silver, but this looks very beautiful. The colors are really beautiful. I'll show you a swatch. This is the blush, highlighter, and bronzer from the palette. Can you see? This is single swatch of all the colors. I have not gone over them. I have swatched a few of the shades, and see, they are beautiful. This is a single swatch on bare skin. Next beautiful product is their lip and cheek tint. I have used these two and created this color on my lip. And these tints have grapeseed and pomegranate oil, which means they will nourish your lips. So the ingredients are plant-based, and they do not have any artificial or synthetic ingredient in there, which means whatever you are using is pure and it's not going to harm your skin in any way. This is the red one, this is the pink, and this is burgundy. And you can see the color payoff is really good. The pigmentation is really good despite of not using synthetic colors. They are very pigmented, and they are really good for lip and cheek. I love tints. You guys already know that I love tints. I use tints all the time because they look very natural. So these are priced at rupees 750, and these are again 100% natural, not tested on animals, and vegan friendly, and the box they come in is made of recycled paper. So the second last product is going to be this body yogurt. It comes in this glass jar with an aluminium lid, and this is for 549, and you are getting 100 grams. What I love the most is the texture. I'll show you. I have already used it. You can see there is a dent in the middle, but the fragrance is so good. It smells like cucumbers, and it is very water-like. It almost feels like you're applying. It's very hydrating. It's moisturizing, but more than that, it's very hydrating. It just melts into your skin, and it makes it very plump and hydrated. So the second last product is going to be my Propolis sleeping mask. This is a total repair sleeping mask, and see, I have used it so much. See, I have used it so much. It has very light water-like formula, like water jelly formula, after doing my cleansing, toning, serum and moisturizer. I apply moisturizer also before sleeping because my skin is very dry. After applying moisturizer, I apply a thin layer of sleeping mask on my face and neck. I let it dry for a couple of minutes and then very gently massage it into my skin and leave it on. You leave it on overnight and the next morning your face will feel very moisturized and in fact very plump. My skin is dry, so it lacks that plumpness, it lacks that bounce, but after using this mask my skin feels very beautiful, energized in the morning. I can see myself using it during summers as well because this is not heavy or thick, so any skin type can use it. This is a really beautiful product. What Propolis does, it deeply hydrates and revives dry dull skin, and it also works on pigmentation, boosts collagen production, and also works as a very soothing, very hydrating, very calming moisturizer for your skin because the texture here is like a jelly. Very beautiful product. And so we have come to the last product. Last but not the least, I really love the Hibiscus and Rose Glow Mask. I have been using it for so long. I'll show you. This is how much is left. I have used it, I think, 5 to 7 times. So my skin is very dry and sensitive, and not all natural 100% pure products work on me. I always avoid face masks because they sting and they make my skin burn, and sometimes I get these bumps after using it and my skin gets really red, these are like drawbacks of having dry skin because dry skin becomes really sensitive. But I'm so happy that this mask doesn't do that. It has hibiscus, which is like natural collagen, not collagen, natural Botox, which means this is going to make your skin really plump and moisturize, hydrated. Hibiscus not only improves the elasticity of the skin, it also works on pigmentation, and it buffs away the dead skin cells, and it evens out the complexion gradually, like over a period of time. It comes in this kind of a glass jar. The lid is plastic, I think, and this is for ₹6.98 and you are getting 100 grams. You're getting a lot of product. These are my top 10 picks from the Earth Rhythm. The brand is really beautiful. It has a lot of beautiful products, and I'm really looking forward to the new launches because I've heard that they are going to expand their makeup line and have a lot of new products. I'm super excited because we all need some good quality, cruelty free, 100% natural and non-toxic makeup stuff because we all love makeup. Yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'm going to link all the products in the description box. Do not forget to check it out. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.